Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 6, describing words from the book Grammar 2. We have adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. जो एडजेक्टिव होता है वो एक वर्ड होता है जो कि डिस्क्राइब करता है एक नाउन या फिर प्रोनाउन को. Then read the poem and observe the highlighted words. So we have a poem given. We have to read that and also we need to observe the highlighted words. This is the poem we have. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens up, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing color, He made their tiny wings. So we have the highlighted words bright, beautiful, then we have great, small, then we have wise, wonderful, then we have little, again little, glowing, tiny. These all highlighted words are the describing words, or we can say that those words are also called adjectives. Okay. Now the highlighted words in the poem are describing words. जो highlighted words है poem में उन्हें हम describing words कह रहे हैं. Words that tell more about persons, places, animals and things are called describing words. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि हमें पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेसेस, थिंग के बारे में और ज्यादा बताए उनको हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स टेल मोर अबाउट द नाउन्स. जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं वो हमें ज्यादातर नाउन्स के बारे में बताते हैं. ओके, देन वी हैव नो इट. टू आइडेंटिफाई an adjective in a sentence, first find the noun or pronoun. Then look for the words that tell more about that person or thing. तो adjective को identify करने के लिए sentence में सबसे पहले हमें pronoun और noun को find करना होता है. फिर ऐसे words को ढूंढना होता है जो कि हमें noun और pronoun के बारे में कुछ extra, कुछ more बता रहे हो. These words are adjectives. उन्हीं words को हम adjectives कहते हैं. My father has a new BMW car. So here you can see this is the sentence. Father के पास नई BMW car है. So here is the noun is the car. कार जो है वो noun थे. Okay. Adjective जो है वो क्या है? New BMW. Okay. Then we have read these sentences. First, this is a big house. Here you can see house is the noun and big is the describing word which describes the size of the house. Right. So, this is adjective here. Then second, that is a tall giraffe. Then giraffe is a noun here and tall is the quality that it shows how it looks. So it is a describing word. It is a adjective as well. Okay. Then third, this is a red apple. Now apple is the noun and the color of the apple is the quality which is describing here, which is red. So red is a adjective. Okay. Then fourth, that is a new car. Now car is a noun and new is a adjective here. Okay. Then fifth, the grass is green. Again, the grass is the noun here and the green is the adjective here. Why? Because it tells about the color of the grass. Right? Now, the words big, tall, red, new and green describes the house, giraffe, apple, car and grass. ये जो सारे words थे, big जो है वो house को describe कर रहा है, tall giraffe को describe कर रहा है, red apple को decide कर रहा है, new car को decide कर रहा है और green grass को describe कर रहा है. Okay. So इसलिए हम उन सबको adjectives कहते हैं. Then we have know it. Describing words describe persons, animals or birds, places or things. जो describing words होते हैं वो person, animal, birds, places और things को describe करते हैं. Describing words tell us about color, shape and size. जो describing words होते हैं वो हमें color, shape और size के बारे में बताते हैं. For example, black crow. So this is the color of the crow. Okay. Then round table. This tells about the shape of that table, right? Then tall building. Now it tells about the size of the building. Okay. They tell us about some special quality. Also कोई special quality है तो उसके बारे में भी हमें बताते हैं describing word. For example, hot coffee. Okay. Then fat girl. Okay. Then they may also tell us how many there are for glasses. So वो हमें ये भी बताते हैं कि कौन सी चीजें कितनी है, how many, इसका भी आंसर देते हैं. तो उनको भी हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स में ही काउंट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 glasses. तो so the 4 word is a describing word here. Okay. Then we have creative skill, time to do a fill in the blanks with suitable describing words from the box. So we have to fill these blanks with the help of this box. We have some options: yellow, long, small, happy, ripe, old, blue, tasty, smart and fat. So now we have the first one, a dash pencil. So we'll fill a small pencil. Okay. Then we have second, a dash man. So we'll fill a smart man. Then we have third one, an dash woman. So an old woman. Then fourth, a dash cake. Now the answer is tasty cake. Now fifth, a dash mango. So this is a ripe mango. So we'll write. Then sixth, a dash child. So a happy child. Okay. Then we have seventh one, a dash shelf. So a long shelf. Then eighth, a dash girl. A fat girl. Then ninth, a dash bicycle. So here you can see this is a yellow bicycle. Then we have 10th, a dash shirt. Here you can see this is a blue shirt. Now we have B. Read the following sentences. Now write the describing words and the naming words they describe. So we have to read some sentences and write the describing words and naming words. So we have 2 columns given: describing word, naming words. First, he is a tall boy. So here, tall is the describing word and boy is the naming word. Then second, these are juicy oranges. Now, juicy is the describing word and oranges is a naming word. Then third, it was a cold night. Now, cold is a describing word and night is a naming word. Then we have fourth, Anubhav has a black coat. Black is the describing word and coat is a naming word. Then we have fifth, she has 3 balloons. Now, balloons is the naming word and 3 is the describing word. Then we have sixth, Delhi is a big city. Now, big is a describing word and city is a naming word. Then we have seventh, she is a fat girl. Fat is a describing word here and girl is a naming word. Then eighth, Ashi drinks hot coffee. Now, hot is a describing word and coffee is a naming word here. Then we have ninth, Aditya is a naughty boy. Now, naughty is a describing word and boy is a naming word. Then we have 10th, she has black hair. Now, black is the describing word and hair is the naming word. Now we have C, given box are some describing words. Write a word opposite in meaning. Against each of them, choose words from those given below. So in this box here, you can see we have so many words and these all are describing words. I'll read these words. Good, strong, narrow, sad, difficult, dry, short, old, foolish, bright. And here also these all are describing words. We have to write from the box the opposite words of these. Okay, so let's do this question. First, wise. The opposite of wise is foolish. Then second, wide. The opposite of wide is narrow. Then third, bad. The opposite of bad is good. Then fourth, tall. The opposite of tall is short. Then fifth, wet. The opposite of wet is dry. Then sixth, weak. The opposite of weak is strong. Then seventh, easy. The opposite of easy is difficult. Then eighth, new. The opposite of new is old. Then we have ninth, happy. The opposite of happy is sad. Then we have 10th, dark. The opposite of dark is bright. Then we have review. And adjectives is a word that modifies or describe a noun or pronoun. Adjective वो word होते हैं जो कि noun और pronoun को modify करते हैं या उन्हें describe करते हैं. Describing words tell us about colors, shape and size. जो describing words होते हैं वो हमें color, shape और size के बारे में बताते हैं. Describing words tell us about some special quality. Describing words हमें कुछ special quality के बारे में भी बताते हैं. Describing words tell us about the number of the nouns. जो describing words है वो हमें numbers of the nouns के बारे में भी बताते हैं. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.